Okay, so here's another absolute beauty. 1982 Yamaha IT465. This is one of these too many bikes, not enough time situations. I've been sat on it since it arrived thinking, oh, I could do with keeping this, I could do with doing this one up, but I'm not going to get the time. It is going to be a nice easy restoration, this bike, and they are super sought after because obviously they're a big 465cc two-stroke enduro or trail bike, so really popular. There's not a huge amount wrong with it, and there's a lot of really nice things. So it's got the nice original tank, original seat, someone's put aftermarket mud guards on, missing the front number board, missing the light and the light at the back. Carb's nice and clean, so the engine all looks great and it turns over. We'll come round here and you can see it turning over, and it's got bags of compression, as you can see. It's got a spark and the kill switch works, so I was hoping to get it running, but unfortunately there's quite a bit of cracking. You're probably not going to be able to see on the video on the inlet manifold, but then also more detrimental, there's a big crack in the exhaust. So I'm not gonna attempt to fire it up. It's gonna suck air in and it's not gonna run very good, and this, that and the other. So then it's got the original boost bottle. It's missing this side panel, but it's got the side panel on the other side. Leaky fork seals, again something minor. Matching engine and frame number. Frame rails all look good. Let's see if Jake can get a little video of the underneath of the frame there. All looks good. Nice original paint, like I said. And then last thing we'll just do the gearbox check. Rear wheel again is all round and nice. Original rear shock. Gearbox check. So we're in neutral there. Down into first. Up into second. Third. Fourth. Fifth is the top of the gearbox. Don't need 6 gears on there. 465 two-stroke. There we go, 1982 Yamaha IT465.